Hey guys, good morning. It's Larry calling. We got the sun out after the first snow. People out here shoveling. I'm walking in the middle of the street, but no cars are coming. Thank God for that. So, good morning. How are y'all doing today?
Good morning. Be careful today.
Oh, I will. Thank you. Oh, we got the dog out. Ooh. And Abu, in front of you. Good morning. How are you?
All right.
Digging yourself out?
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Wait a minute. Oh, your steps all the way over there.
Huh?
I was gonna say where your steps at, but it's on the side.
Oh,
I seen you on television a couple weeks ago. I seen you on television a couple of weeks ago. Matter of fact, the newsman was in your house
Oh, yeah.
when you was working on an instrument.
Yeah.
Musical instrument.
Yeah.
But you know what? There's some overhang right above.
Whoa, that's dangerous.
Yeah, so right.
I'm glad you pointed that out.
But see, because by your steps is on the side.
Yeah, I see something up there.
Yeah, and it's
Woo.
yeah. That's because the wind was blowing towards the west.
Yeah, that's why there's everything in the front of the car.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you, 'cause I didn't see what.
Yeah, because I don't want you and your daughter. Yeah, look up.
Oh, I know, and it's frozen.
Yeah, but the sun should take it up.
I'm glad you pointed that out, though.
I mean, there's a lot of houses. The next door neighbor, she has the largest, and it's hanging over. But but our steps go to the front, to the street. Yeah. How you doing, man? All right. I was out here yesterday. I was taking a video. I got over 100 hits. Yep, I sure did. Oh, man.